What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So in this video I'm going to review two fragrances from the house of Khadlaj, and this is from their Island collection. So the first one I got here is Island from Khadlaj, and the second one I got here is Island Vanilla Dunes, once again from Khadlaj. So let's see how these two fragrances actually smells and what are the differences here. So let's start with the Island first. So Island Khadlaj is a tropical type of scent. As you can see from the presentation, you can see some sea waves here, and then in the back from the notes breakdown, you will know that this is something tropical. So let me show you the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful box. You can see the design here, the name of the collection, Island, and then here it's Khadlaj, and you can see in the back you will find the notes breakdown, Khadlaj logo on the top, ingredient details, batch code, manufacturing date in the bottom. Nothing on the sides. You can see the design pattern here. It's more like turquoise, green, blue kind of color with these golden palm leaves with some bubbles. So it gives you that tropical island kind of feel. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And here you go. And the bottle looks really stunning and beautiful. You can see the pattern. You can see these dots here. Even in the back, you can see this dotted back and this plain shiny sides. You can see the shape of the bottle. It's beautiful. Then you will find this metallic sticker with the name of the perfume, Island by Khadlaj. And you can see the cap here. The cap here is made of metal. It's metallic. The logo of Khadlaj on the top. And it's very, very, very heavy. So this is about the bottle, this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the official notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per the official notes breakdown, here in the top you'll get pineapple, iris, ginger and cypress. Then in the heart notes you'll get coconut and woodsy notes. Then in the base you will get amber, ambergris, tonka beans and sandalwood. So this is the official notes breakdown, and this one smells really delicious. So this is actually a blend of two types of DNAs, a tropical DNA and a blue DNA. So what you can expect in a tropical DNA? In a tropical DNA, you will expect some tropical fruits like pineapple, some citruses, and definitely some coconut with some, you can say, a summer type of sweet kind of vibe. And then what you can expect from a blue DNA? In a blue DNA, you will get that bluish, aquatic, salty kind of vibe. So here you will get the both. So in the opening, you will get some fruity accords. In fruits, there is bergamot and pineapple. And pineapple is more prominent here. Then you will get that typical blue notes. So you will get that blue and aquatic type of notes here. You can also get that saltiness of ambergris. Ambergris is mentioned in the notes breakdown, but I'm sure it's actually ambroxan, because you can get that woody ambergris type of feel here in this perfume. Yeah, that oceanic saltiness is here, and then you will get some sweet tonka in the base, and then finally some creamy soft sandalwood. So this is how this perfume opens. This is the whole structure of this perfume. And then towards the second phase, it becomes more blue. You'll start to get that salty, oceanic and aquatic type of vibes in this perfume. And then in the final dry down, you will left with that beautiful coconut and some sandalwood here. That blue notes are going to stay with you from the start till end, because that's the main structure of the perfume. But you will experience these three kind of different phases in your perfume journey. So overall, this smells very nice. It's sweet, it's refreshing, it's fresh, it's a little bit versatile. A perfect scent for parties, for picnics, and it smells really nice. So if you like these kind of fragrances, then you should definitely check it out. If you like coconut, if you like pineapple, blended with some blue notes, then check out Island, the house of Khadlaj. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, let's talk about the performance. So performance wise, this is top notch, 6 to 8 sprays, and it will be good for the whole day in indoors. If you're going outdoors, depending on your weather, on your environment, you can adjust the number of sprays, maybe a little bit more sprays can give you some better longevity and projection projection wise, this is very nice. In indoors, it projects very well. You will be able to smell this perfume on your fabric even on the next day. So performance wise, it's rocking. For the gender, in my humble opinion, this is a pure masculine scent. It's not going to work very well with ladies, but they can still check it out. But for me, this is a masculine type of scent. And for the age group, no age barrier here. Anyone can use it in any age. It all depends on your mood. If you are in a happy-go-lucky type of mood, you want to enjoy your picnics, or you're going to a party, the weather is a little bit hot, then check it out. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So this is a perfume you can use definitely in summers, but in springs also. And you can also try this in winters, because this is a sweet, fruity, with some sandalwood in the base. So it may work in winters. Do check it out, but mainly it's meant to be used in summers. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with extrait de parfum concentration. Yes, it's not EDP, but it's extrait de parfum. That's why the performance is through the roof. And with this beautiful presentation, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE right now is 150 UAE dirhams, which is really great. This is a real banger. With this price point, this one really rocks. And now finally, let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. So in my humble opinion, this is a mix of two very famous perfumes from the house of Jean Paul Gaultier's. The first one is Le Beau, Le Parfum, and the second one is Le Beau, the original one. So it's like more towards the Le Beau, Le Parfum side, because it's really dense, heavy and strong. But you can get also the feel of the original Le Beau, which is a little bit more airy. So yeah, it's something in between those two fragrances, but more towards the Le Beau, Le Parfum. And if you like that DNA, if you like that perfume, then this will be something you're going to love. So this was Island from the house of Khadlaj. And now let's jump to the second perfume from the same collection. And that one is Island Vanilla Dunes. And here you go. And you can see from the box, the theme is brown with some sand dunes in the back, with some gold and some dusky kind of theme is going on here on this box. So here you will find the name of the perfume, Island Vanilla Dunes from Khadlaj, logo of Khadlaj on the top, all details in the bottom, and then in the back. They didn't put the Norse breakdown, but they have some more details, ingredient details here in the back. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And here you go. The shape of the bottle is very similar to the original Island, but the color is different here. You can see the beautiful gradient from this light brown to the dark brown, and the metallic sticker here with the name Island Vanilla Dunes by Khadlaj. Same metallic cap, heavy cap with the logo of Khadlaj on the top, and beautiful golden atomizer. And this one smells really nice. Once again, inspired by a very famous perfume from the house of Perfume de Marly, from the house of PDM. And that perfume is none other than Altair or Altair. And this one is really close to the original one. So as per the official website, in the top you will get cinnamon, vanilla, bergamot and cardamom. In the middle you will get orange blossom, gyke wood and bourbon. And in the base you will get paraline, amber and musk. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So the main structure of this perfume is based on spicy and ambery vanilla with some touch of citruses in the top in the beginning for just 5 to 10 minutes, and then some light woody musky base. So this is how this perfume actually smells, and there is a note of LME which provides that beautiful unique kind of touch here in this beautiful blend. So this is how the original PDM's Altair smells, and this is how this beautiful perfume Island Vanilla Dunes actually smells. So yeah, you will get that same beautiful sweet powdery vanilla with some spicy nuances. You will get a lot of cinnamon, some cardamom here, there is that spiciness, and then you will get a sweet chocolatey note of praline. So it's like little bit gourmand, but more towards the spicy vanilla side. It's not pure gourmand, it's not going to make your mouth watery. It doesn't smell like a food or like a dessert. But yeah, this is like mainly spicy vanilla kind of scent, which gives you that gourmand kind of vibe here. And then some ambery spicy notes with that beautiful woody and musky base. So if you guys have ever experienced PDMs out there, this is something very close. Sweet, powdery, spicy, vanilla with a beautiful touch of LME. So this is about Island Vanilla Dunes. If you like PDMs out there, but you cannot afford it, then you can go with this one. And this one can satisfy your itch. So now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Once again, performance rocks. No issue at all. You can smell this perfume on your shirt even on the next day. Start with like 6 to 8 sprays and adjust as per your liking. For the gender, pure masculine scent. Ladies, they can still try it because it's a little bit gourmand and there is some vanilla here. But for me, I would love to smell this perfume on men. And then let's talk about the age group. Yeah, here in this case, you should be a little bit mature. If you're around the age of like 21, 22 plus, you can rock it easily for the season or weather. This is a perfume which you're going to enjoy in cold weather. In summers, you can use this perfume, but if you're staying indoors in air-conditioned environment, if you're going outside in sun, then it may choke you because it's like sweet, gourmand type of scent with vanilla and spices. So for the best experience, use this perfume in winters. And for the occasion, this is a perfume which can be used in all kind of scenarios, except your gym and sports activities. So in your office, in your dates, it can be a romantic scent. In weddings, in parties, in clubs, in pubs, anywhere you want, it will rock. And now let's talk about the price. So once again, you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation, and the concentration once again is extrait de parfum. So yeah, that's why it's performing like a beast. So it smells really, really, really nice. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE right now is once again 150 UAE dirhams. That's totally justified. With this quality, extrait de parfum concentration, great performance and beautiful smell, 150 is really nothing. But you can always check out for the discounts and some good offers because these Middle Eastern brands, they always bring some nice discounts and some nice offers on different occasions. So if you can get like 15 to 20% off, then it will be great for you. Otherwise, for me, 150 is totally justified. So this was my review about these two beautiful perfumes from the house of Khadlaj, Island and Island Vanilla Dunes. Do check it out if you like these kind of scents, and do let me know if you like this review or not. And I'm to catch you in another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.